Ciiko cia kumomoka kwa nyumba iria ndeku na imwe itarekereire gwakwo ni undu ukoretwo gicokera mahinda kwa mahinda riu gicungiriria ikuo, nguraro na hathara kuri Akenya. Undu uyu niguo cungiriirie giikaro kia mwaka uyu kia aki na acoria manyumba kurongoreria na kinyithina uyu. Riu ataramu ya makihita kuhukia ciiko ici iria iragiritanio na aki matakinyaniire ikiro. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa wira wa muingi Solomon Kitungu, no nginya ruhonge rwa itua ria kugereka aki aria akinyaniru. Riu Kitungu akiendekithia uthurimi wa ataramu aria marahitukio ni ruhonge ruru.
When a building collapsed at Ruilu, that building, for example, had been suspended when it was at the ground floor, and it collapsed when it was at the 9th floor. And if you can have that kind of thing, now you wonder, us as professionals, where were we?
Kitungu no agwetete hathara nene iria ikoretwo igitungio ene nyumba na aikari acio makiria riria akia matharara moya itemi ria gutongoria waki.
The main objectives of the building code is to promote order, safety and the health of persons in or about construction works. It seeks to improve control of and encourage better practice in building design.
Ataramu aya no moritio kuiga mbere mioyo ya Kenya. Riu thirikari ikiruma keni gutigirira gutire nyumba igwetikirio guthie na mbere na kwihanda cikirirwo nganja ni honge cia thirikari.
I wish to congratulate the board in advance on launching an online system for projects at this seminar that will ensure only registered professionals are involved in design, approvals and supervision of projects.
Na ruhonge rwa kibururi rwa guthurima miako ni rwathitwo kuya itemi ria ruo hari guthurima nginyagia miako iria mirikiriru na ona mahitia moneka miako ino korwo ikimomorwo. Kuna mahitia maingi makoretwo makiumana na kwaga kwaraniria gatagati ka ataramu matiganite ya waki. Riu thirikari ni yuritio waraniria makiria gukinyanirio mbere ya kuhitukio kwa miako o yothe.
To me is something we can just come together in a meeting like this and then we can agree that if ever a building collapses, it will not be because there was professional negligence.
Hadunia Kameme TV ritora kwa ni bataru wa Mwagi.